Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, before we get into the video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell to stay updated with me. My name is Arizona. You call me Zona, Ari, whichever you prefer. And yeah, we're not going to do too much talking. We're going to get into whatever this video will become. Okay, now that the hair is up and out the way, I am going to be attempting to make a wig today. First of all, peep the new glasses. Now, let's get into the video. So, I'm going to be attempting to try to make a wig today. I have my head here, which I might use my plastic one because I kind of don't want to get this one dirty, but it already kind of is dirty, so I guess why not? I was watching videos upon videos upon videos of how to make a wig. I've been having this hair. It's a 22, 24, and 20 inch. As I was saying, so I have 3 bundles of hair along with, I'm pretty sure this is like a 10-inch lace closure, and it already has pre-plucked baby hairs and everything, which is actually going to be very nice because my struggling on plucking. So this is how it looks. I might pluck it some more. I don't know really how to pluck, but I watched the video, so we're going to figure it out today. So I have 3 bundles and a closure. This is all body wave hair. It kind of stank, but it's okay. And we are going to be gluing it down because I don't know how to sew. But like I said, I did watch plenty of videos, and instead of using a black wig cap, I'm going to use this one since there's 2 of these, and I believe I'm supposed to use both, but I might just use one. I don't know. We're going to see how this plays out. And by the way, this was birthday hair from like 2018, 2019, so it was supposed to be for my either 18th or 19th birthday, and I never used it. So I've had this for literally years. So it's SC 100% human hair. Not SC, IC. IC? I don't know how to say this, but it's 100% human hair. It comes like this. It also came with a pair of lashes that I have no clue where it's at now. And yeah, it came with wig caps. So it came with wig caps, the 3 bundles, the closure. I believe it came with clips and eyelashes. But again, I did buy this a few years ago. I got it on Amazon. If I could find it, I'm gonna pop a picture or put the link down below. So we have the wig head right here, and I also need 2 bags for this, maybe 3, but I probably do 2. I have a very large head. I'm just gonna attempt to make it tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna attempt to put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and stop doing all this talking. We're gonna attempt to make this wig and see how it comes out. So yeah, let's get into it. y'all, this is as far as I got. I glued down the frontal portion. Oop, not the cord getting all caught up. So I feel like I messed it up already, but it's okay because it's our first one. We're learning. And yeah, so ignore the stuff in the background. So now I'm going to get the longest one, which is the 24. This is the longest one. It's the 24. Oh, this is so soft. I'm gonna be real sorry if I messed this up. Not gonna lie, I kind of did, but it's okay. But I am learning, so it stank. Bro, who y'all trying to make sure that nobody... Okay. All these rubber bands. Like, is it necessary? I wish I could feel this because it feels so good. Purr. Can you go downstairs and go in the closet and get me one of the black scissors? End to end is right there. First, I was told from two different to glue it on the wig and put it on there, or glue it on the strand, but I feel like gluing it on the actual cap would probably be a little bit better. I can't tilt, well I could tilt it, but it's kind of like, it's giving ghetto. Enough. If not, of course I'm gonna put some more glue. So I'm gonna take the hair, go one end to the other, and I'm gonna just keep repeating the process and you guys will see that. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. I look a little crusty, a little dusty. Nose a little running because allergies are starting to kick in.
We do not care.
I ran out of hair last night, as you guys can see. So I have to go to the beauty supply store to pick up a bundle of hair, literally just a bundle. Okay, so I am back. I done changed the shirt and everything, took the hair out the pack, but I just ended up getting a 10-inch. It matches, hopefully. Yeah, it looks just about right. So I ended up getting 10 inches. I actually should have got probably like 12, but it's okay. It's only going to be covering the top portion, so. Alright, y'all, so I finished the wig. Yay! And this is how it looks. Front, back, it looks really full. It actually really is. Now the top part I'm not so sure about. I think I could cover this piece and that'll be it, but you can't see no tracks other than that right there and a little bit on the side, so it's not that bad. And I also kept this piece loose because of course I'm gonna cut it off, but I'm gonna turn it inside out and blow dry it first. Alright, so I got the wig on here. I actually cut too much of the cap underneath, so I ended up having to, even though I can't, and I ended up having to sew it down. So this is what it looks like. I done took the top out because so in total I used 3.5 bundles, 24, 22, and 20, and then a 10 bundle, but not from the same place, as you guys seen. So I'm going to, as I've been seeing, but I'm probably gonna watch another video. Like I said, it's already pre-plucked pretty much, but I'm gonna plug it some more. I'm gonna part it down the middle because it is a 4x4 closure. So I'm gonna part it down the middle. That look down the middle, don't it? Yeah, that looks straight. Attempt to put this wig on. Now I gave me some very nasty, very ugly braids. As long as my head is flat, it didn't matter. So I'm about to do this process and see how it works, because honestly I feel like it's going to be terrible, but we're going to try this. So I'm gonna lay all my edges and stuff back. I use the old stuff. Put the hot comb right on that stove. Over the fan, but I did curl it to the best of my ability. I mean, they're okay, but I wish I would have done them better. Some curls are better than the other, but it's fine. So it's pretty much done. I'm about to do a little lash contact stuff and get a little cute so I can show you guys the final result after I take this off. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I am back and this is the final look. My lace is lifting a little bit because I'm hot, but this is how it looked. So of course the curls fell out, but I mean it still looks okay. It's still shiny. And these are how the baby hairs came out. I actually did a lot better with baby hairs because I'm terrible, because I tried to do a wig before, honestly, but it didn't work out, so I just took it off. Which I feel like one side looks better than the other, and it's kind of bulky because of my braids and everything, but other than that, it's completely fine. And I wish I knew how to do curls so I could actually do curls. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. I was making a TikTok during this whole process as well, and ended up putting more on here than I did on there. So yeah guys, let me know what I could have did better, if there's something better I can do, if what you guys like, what you guys didn't like leave all those comments down below. I'm debating, I might take some pictures with this since I am proud of this, but I probably will try to actually get some curls because there's no curls. It's kind of giving a little water like thing, like a little wetness. So yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, criticism, constructive criticism in the comments would be lovely, because I know I could have did a lot better than what I did, but again, it is my first time. Thank you guys for watching again. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because this will not be the first time I do this. I literally said last night never again, and then after I have this on and everything, I'm like, we need to do better. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, loves. Bye.